In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly dip my bowl with the glazing tongs. But since the last video, I got distracted for 2 minutes, maybe not even 2 minutes. That's enough for this to resettle. You have to remix it, not the entire way. So I take my rubber scraper and I just scrape the bottom and make sure all of that sediment, all those good colors are up in the liquid moving around. I then take my bowl and I grip it with my glaze tongs like this. I dip it into the glaze slowly and I swirl it around to a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, making sure it's completely covered. And I take it out, slowly pouring the glaze out. While it's draining off, I just kind of rotate it like this to make sure it gets a good, even application. I may shake it a little bit to get that extra excess off. What I'm doing is I'm looking at the lip right down here. And as I turn it, you can see the teardrops falling off of it. And I continually rotate it. That's getting a good application. Before I set it down on my board like this, I take my water and sponge. And I clean the bottom off. Get all of that excess glaze off the bottom. If I don't, it stays there. And it could melt, well it will melt in the glaze, in the kiln, and it will act like a glue. And my glue, and that glue will make the bowl stick to it. Now, once I'm done, you're gonna notice teardrops. You're gonna notice where the glaze overlapped each other. Leave that. There is a teardrop right here. I don't know if you can see it in the video very well, but you will see it when you do your own glazing. Don't rub that. Leave that alone. Don't touch it. And what we want to do now is we put these in our cubbies. We try not to touch it as much as possible. So be careful when you walk it back to your cubby and put it away.